Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation, and you can do this with your eyes closed, or if you feel more comfortable, you can do it with your eyes open, and you'll see some beautiful scenery here in this video. We're going to do this meditation actually standing. So come to stand, shoes off if possible, socks off if possible, but if you're at work or something and you need to stay in your shoes, that's totally fine. Stand with your feet about hip distance. Look down at your feet, and if you are able to, if you have the space, lift your toes up, spread them as wide as you can, and then set them down on the ground. Begin to lean slightly over to your right, putting most of the weight in your right leg. And then lean slightly over to the left, putting most of your weight in your left leg. Then lean back over to the right, seeing if you can position the majority of your weight not only in the right foot, but in the right front of the foot, as well as the right back of the foot. And then lean over to the left, seeing if you can do the same thing over there, finding all 4 points of the foot, 4 corners of the foot, and then come back to center. So now that you've gone side to side, see if you can find your complete center, your true center here. Grounding down through all 4 corners of both feet. Maybe pressing ever so slightly into the big toe mounds. So not the actual big toes themselves, but just the big toe mounds. And seeing if you can lift your arches ever so slightly. And then as you begin to breathe, see if you can make your legs heavy. Imagining that you're rooting down into the earth. Allow your pelvis to be heavy. Allow your arms to hang heavy by your side. And then see if you can visualize a sense of lightness through your chest, a sense of brightness and openness through the chest. Maybe that means you stand just a bit taller through the torso, finding length through the spine, but you stay heavy, heavy, heavy and grounded through your legs and your pelvis. So you have this inner brightness, this inner lightness through the chest, and heavy groundedness through the legs. And then as you inhale, slowly begin to shrug your shoulders up towards your ears, just coming up only maybe halfway towards your ears. And then send your shoulders back behind you, and as you continue to exhale, allow your shoulder blades to melt down your back. So you have a gentle toning of the upper back muscles as your heart shines forward. And maintain that little bit of engagement through the upper back, and then bring awareness to the front low ribs. And if you're somebody who flares through the chest, see if you can just tuck your low ribs in ever so slightly while maintaining that gentle toning through the upper back. And then as you are there, allow your front hip points to slightly, ever so slightly come forward just the tiniest bit, so you have a natural curve through your spine. Bringing your awareness to your head, tilt your chin until you feel like it's parallel to the ground. And then ever so slightly bring your head back maybe 0.5 centimeter. And feel that your head is directly over your center. Begin to breathe deeply. initiating your breath at the belly and then expanding out through the sides, through the rib cage. And lastly, expanding up through the chest. And as you exhale, go ahead and do that in reverse. So exhale from the chest, and then the ribs gently come in towards your center, and your belly button draws in towards your spine. Slow, deep, powerful breaths, really using all of your lungs. And on your next inhale, see if you can maybe even breathe into your upper back, the thoracic area. And take 2 more breaths just like that. And at the end of your second exhale, bring your hands into anjali mudra. So that's just prayer position, hands at the heart. Closing your eyes if that feels comfortable, and just saying a silent thank you for your health and your commitment to self-improvement. And when you're ready, gently bow your forehead down towards your fingertips, acknowledging your practice. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time here on the YBC YouTube channel.